Right then, I've done this one already. This was my first one. I just let it settle and see how well it go. And I've done 2 more today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one here, which I'm using these, which are 1/2 inch by 1 inch coving, whatever you call it, plastic coving. I've already straightened off the end. Now, which end did I straighten off? That one. And so that goes on there like that. You can see how it works. I just do a little bit proud of the wood. The wood a little bit proud of it. Take my pen. Can you see that? And just do that. It doesn't have to be accurate. Now we'll take the other side. This needs cleaning off. I'm going to have to clean this off. It'll do for the moment. So there we go. Yeah, that's the straight side. There. Right, and cut them off in the bandsaw. That's there now. Cut off. So that way, that way. It's not precise. It doesn't have to be precise for what we're doing. That's what I say about all my projects. It doesn't have to be surprised because it doesn't. I'll work with it. It's like being an artist. So now we've got them done. I have already taken the glue off the back of this one and already roughed it up, but it is quite literally just rough it up with some sandpaper. Get some striations in there. There's already a few striations in there. Just something to give it a bond to. That should do it. Right, next bit is the drill. Drill. Right, this is a 7.5. Oh, that's what it says anyway. It's around 6-7 mil, not 6-7. What we're doing, take our thingy, that goes there, so this goes here. Actually, what we'll do, block of wood, block of wood, block of wood. That's fine. Right, okay. Don't want it doing that. It's close approximation, so just line it up, take a drill. In the middle. There. One on the bottom. Take them off. Oh, there we go. Them. I got 3 nice little holes for the glue to sit in. Turn it around the other way. Can you see that? A little at the edge. There. All we're doing is marking the holes, to be honest. That's lined up. on the bottom. Then just drill them out. Not that deep. And that one. Yeah, that'll do. Get rid of that now. Not needed. Right. So I've got my 2-part epoxy glue. Very, very cheap, this stuff. I've got quite a lot in there. So mix it up. Is that it? Fingers are going to get sticky. And what I do is that goes on there. So this is that side. That side. So what we do is we fill up the holes with an excess. And then what we do is just wipe it down. A bit on the bottom. Right, pop that on there. That should stay where it wants to stay. Right, we got that. Now the other side. Just fill these holes up. All those holes. And we'll do the same on this one. Fill up the hole, spread it around. Fill up the hole, spread it around. There we go. And what you do is you wipe your hands. Squish them together. So squish out and just get any of those squishy points out, and then we're going to let it dry. First, let's take some tape, put it down the middle there. What we can do is then push it to the middle so we get in the same edge. So it's all on the one edge as we go down. Take a bit for the top, wrap it around just like so. Squeeze them together, put the tape round, and tightly do the tape round. Still got room for manoeuvre. Same on the bottom. See that? So it's nice and stretched at the back, but it's holding them together. See that? Nice and stretched. Do a bit in the middle. Move them into position. Another one on the top. So we take a tape, wrap it round so it's short, and wrap it tight. There you go. So that then should keep all that in still while it's gluing, and then we've strengthened it quite well. I know it's glue and wood, but I just need to see nails and screws. The plan I've got doesn't need nails and screws, so I'm going with it. Right, thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye, YouTube.